Hello everyone, do you only eat tomatoes raw? If so, you need to watch this video to the end. That's because tomatoes hide an amazing secret. Their nutrient absorption changes dramatically. Depending on how you cook them, a study from Cornell University found that heating tomatoes at 80 C for 15 or 30 minutes increased the amount of absorbable lycopene by 6%, 17%, and 35% respectively. Another study even reported that cooking can boost lycopene absorption up to 4 times. You might be wondering, what is lycopene? It's a carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color and acts as a powerful antioxidant in our bodies. It's known to help prevent prostate cancer and cardiovascular disease. The key here is that lycopene is fat-soluble, meaning cooking it with oil like olive oil enhances absorption. Raw tomatoes contain lycopene, mostly in a trans form, which has lower bioavailability. Heating transforms it into a cis form, which our bodies absorb more effectively. That's why Italians have cooked tomato sauce with olive oil for centuries. It's wisdom honed over generations. Now let's get into specific cooking methods. First, make a tomato sauce. Chop tomatoes and simmer them with 2 tablespoons of olive oil on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Adding onions and garlic boosts the benefits. Onions quercetin and garlic's allicin amplify lycopene's antioxidant power. Second, use processed tomato products. Ketchup processing doubles lycopene content compared to raw tomatoes. Tomato paste with concentrated nutrients can be mixed with olive oil for pasta sauces or stews. Third, try roasted tomatoes. Cut them in half, drizzle with olive oil, and bake at 200 C for 20 minutes. This method significantly increases lycopene activity. But here's an important point: heating reduces vitamin C by 10 to 29% depending on cooking time. However, the rise in lycopene, a stronger antioxidant, boosts overall antioxidant activity by 28 to 62%. So, while some nutrients decrease, the net antioxidant benefit improves. The best approach? Balance raw and cooked tomatoes. Raw ones preserve vitamin C and potassium, while cooked ones maximize lycopene absorption. Certain foods pair with tomatoes for a synergy effect. First, avocado. Its healthy fats enhance lycopene uptake. A tomato avocado salad with olive oil dressing is a perfect combo. Second, broccoli. University of Illinois research shows that groups eating tomatoes and broccoli together had a far greater prostate cancer inhibition effect than those eating them separately. Third, carrots. Combining carrots' beta-carotene with tomatoes' lycopene boosts antioxidant power. Be cautious when cooking. Avoid aluminum pans. Tomatoes' acidity can leach metal into the food. Use stainless steel, enamel, glass, or ceramic pans instead. Tomato skins are nutrient-rich too. They contain naringenin, a flavonoid that reduces inflammation and supports vascular health. Blend them into sauces with the skin on. If using canned tomatoes, opt for glass jar versions. If you're concerned about BPA, canned tomatoes are already heat processed, activating lycopene. For tomato juice, store-bought versions are heat-treated, boosting lycopene absorption. Check sodium levels and choose low-salt options. Add a drop of olive oil to enhance fat-soluble lycopene uptake. In summary, tomatoes offer different benefits raw or cooked. Raw preserves vitamin C and potassium, while cooking increases lycopene absorption by 3 to 4 times. The best strategy is a balance of both, always pairing cooked tomatoes with oil like olive oil. Remember this every time you eat. Tomatoes' cooking methods can drastically change the nutrients you get from the same amount. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. I'll bring more useful nutrition tips next time. Thank you.